Hi, and welcome back to Smart Property Systems Training. In this video, we'll cover how to enable rent processing or rent collection on an existing lease. So you've gotten set up to accept online rent payments. Now you need to enable the lease. The easiest way to enable rent processing on an existing lease is to go to the Rent Processing tab. That's going to be under the Income and Expense main tab, and then down to Rent Processing. Go to Settings, and here you'll get a screen that lists all your existing leases and which ones you want to enable. To enable a lease, simply slide the Enable slider. Okay, now the second way to enable a lease that's already existing, and let me disable this so I can show you that other option, is to actually go into the leases. So go to Properties and My Leases. Edit the lease that you want to enable. Come down here and select Accept Checks and E-Checks. Now a point to notice here, if you have multiple accounts set up for deposits, so let's say you have multiple properties and you have a different LLC for each property with a different bank account, you can actually set up multiple bank accounts for deposits to go into. So for this lease, you want to make sure that you select the bank account that this lease should be deposited into. In this example, we only have one, so there's no reason to change it. But if you have multiple, you'll want to go in here and select the deposit account that you want this lease to be deposited into. So click Accept Checks and E-Checks, click Next, and then click Save and Exit. You can also go to the end of the lease to review it and click Finish. That's it. That lease is now enabled for rent processing. Again, if you go back to your rent processing menu, you'll see that by checking that box, it's the same thing as sliding the slide over. So now this tenant can pay their rent online via ACH. That's it.